Hello. Today we're going to do a very simple rolling drill. The rolling drill comprises, as everything in life, from three things. One is breathing, second is choosing activation or active activation, or whatever you want to call it, and three is active alignment or dynamic alignment. The first thing is very simple, breathing. We don't aim to roll over one exhale or inhale, and definitely not on breath hold. Most important thing is to allow whatever phase of breathing you are in to lead that breath. It's simple to say, of course we have to actually do it. Second thing is dynamic alignment or dynamic activation, meaning that you don't tense against it, you don't brace against the wall from here. What we need to do is to align ourselves so we don't need to brace. From here I'm moving in a very linear fashion, so I'm bracing, so I don't break my nose and face, which would render me slightly less handsome. So from here, instead of bracing from here, I just turn around and naturally the body finds the way. Now that turning around is really important because it's dynamically alignment. I'm not creating a shape, whatever it is, and then just rolling that, because that would work on a mat, would not work on these very soft floor. So from here, I'm starting a very simple operation of breathing and walking at the same time. Good. Second thing is looking to the side. So what does that do? Change my alignment, change my balance and weight distribution. The third thing, I'm adding the arms to it. So, and when I'm rolling, I'm not rolling forward, I'm looking to the side. Why? Well, first is I want to live. So if I roll forward, I will hit my head in some degree and over my spine. So what I want to do is to turn to the side. So I'm actively choosing to present the shoulder to the ground to make contact and not my head. You can see that this will happen. The second thing is that when I'm doing this, I'm aligning a part of myself that's not the spine to make first contact. And the third thing is that through that, I'm able to make a motion that's not linear in this phase, meaning that if I'm rolling forward like a gymnastic roll, I'm rolling over my spine like this, which would kill me in the street, down the stairs, and so on. But if I'm rolling this way, I'm rolling over the side or this side. So that creates that. So let's put all of these together. So, and then you just relax the foot that touches the ground, the one that's making the step, you relax it, and from there the change in the posture happens dynamically, and this happens dynamically. So it's not creating a pose, but you're moving, taking a step and rising, and from here breathing, and in the same way you rise. If you're having a feeling of effort going down and a feeling of effort going up, it means that you're not allowing the mass to continue its course, meaning that you stopped yourself by bracing, by holding yourself, or by the worst sin of just looking straight. Yes? So from here, again, I'm walking and then like so, and then you can feel yourself. If you find yourself in a sticking point, say congratulations to yourself, you found out something. If I do a roll and I find myself in something like that, it means that first, are we breathing? Am I breathing? No, I'm trying to do something. Second thing that I'm doing wrong here on purpose, because is that I'm looking, I'm trying to do something. And that's exercise. Fighting is not exercise. So from here, I release. Breathe. Already things are starting to move. And then I release my gaze. And I can get up without excess effort. So let's do a few consecutive rolls. And from here, when you're comfortable, do a roll per breath. Easy, right? So let's do that. So And of course, make it silently so your neighbors don't come in with torches and pitchforks.